back to you. Sonia, thank you very much for that. Let's talk about the market technicals because we have a pretty good recovery on our hands right now. Jay Thakkar of Marwadi Shares and Finance now joins in. Jay, is it just a rebound after 6-7 days of sharp losses that the Indian markets have seen? And where do you think this up move till what level can this up move extend itself to?
Morning to you, Rima and Sumaira. Yeah, of course, I think that this is just a bounce back, temporary pause, and we anticipated this to come since yesterday, and it finally, it has bounced back quite sharply, I would say. On the upside, it can further, stretch the move or a short covering until the levels of 38,800 to 850 range, Rima. I mean, 39,000 is the max which we are looking out in this bounce back as of date. And on the downside, now I believe that 37,500 will act as an immediate support. So buy on dip should be the strategy until Bank Nifty reaches 38,800 to 850 or maybe 39,000 levels. That would be the trading strategy for coming towards 3 trading sessions. And as far as the Nifty is concerned, I would say that yes, 16,700, 750 will act as an immediate support for the short term. And on the upside, we can see the bounce until 17,050, 17,100. I mean, this is just a temporary bounce back or a short coverage which we anticipated, and we think that can continue. And post that, the downtrend should again resume as the overall medium-term chart structure or the data is negative still, and we haven't seen any medium-term reversal. It's just a short-term reversal. And for this bounce, Rima, I have 2 buy recommendations. The first buy recommendation is on granules. Now, this stock has clearly provided a breakout from a good consolidation. In fact, the pharma index has provided a breakout about 13,000 levels. So we can see some good momentum coming out here. I mean, on the upside, we see a target of almost 350 to 360 on the immediate basis, and 330 will be stop loss for this trade. And the second buy recommendation would be on Axis Bank. Now, since I'm expecting Bank Nifty also to further move up or higher on account of short covering from here on, so I see some short covering happening in Axis Bank as well, and it can show a bounce back until the levels of 745 to 760. I mean, it can be a good bounce back on Axis Bank. The risk reward is absolutely favorable, and on the downside, one can place a stop loss below the levels of 716. So the risk reward is well in favor of the bulls out here on Axis Bank and granules. Hence, one can go long here, and on the index, one can buy now on dips as well till the till the levels of 39,000 on Bank Nifty and 17,100 on Nifty.
Jay, thanks very much for joining in with your trades this morning. With that, we're going to take a very quick break. Up next, we'll shift the focus from the technicals of trade to the fundamentals. Joining in will be Jigar Mistry of Buoyant Capital. Stay tuned.